Hey, this is John from What to Know Before the Show. Hey, I got another cookie break today. Yummy. This one here is oatmeal raisin. Very delicious. Hey, I got my trusty little walkie-talkie on today, and I have 13 breakout rooms up and running at this conference center. And just want to talk to you briefly about the importance of communication when you're putting on your own workshop and seminar. There's a lot of people you need to stay in contact with. There's the venue, there's banquets, there's your event planner, there's your staff, there's your AV tech. Truckload of people to keep in contact with. And if you saw my rant a couple days ago, it was about how I end up sitting around for 2 hours because there was a miscommunication between the event room, the banquets people, the AV company that hired me to come in. So they didn't know what time I was going to be there, but there was a miscommunication and it cost extra money for them. So stay connected with all the people that are helping you put on your workshop. On What to Know Before the Show, we have templates and checklists to help you ask the right questions, get the right information from all your important people, your venue, your banquets people, your AV tech, your event supervisor, all the people you're going to need to run a really successful workshop. So stay connected. I got my walkie-talkie on, so I'm very, very connected, and people are calling me all day long to help them out. So stay connected, have yourself a cookie, and I got to go. Someone's talking in my ear. Talk to you soon. Bye.